Hi, I'm Walter Andrew Wongren.
And I'm James C. Wongren, CPA. I literally wrote the book, Do-It-Yourself Representation Before the Internal Revenue Service.
Why is it important to file past due tax returns?
It's important to file past due tax returns because it's a requirement of the law. In addition to that, in order to enter into a settlement agreement with the Internal Revenue Service, you're going to need to have filed all past due tax returns and agree to the amount of tax due. If the IRS has prepared a tax return for you because you did not send it in, you should not be too quick to agree to the amount of tax due. There is a very strong likelihood that a CPA could take a look at that prepared tax return and reduce the amount of tax that you actually owe.
How do I know if I qualify for an installment payment plan?
To find out if you qualify for an installment payment plan is a very simple procedure. You simply submit an installment payment request form.
What should I do if I get audited?
If you are audited, it is very important that you cooperate with the Internal Revenue Service. Your goal in this cooperation is going to provide enough credible evidence to switch the burden of proof from the taxpayer to the Internal Revenue Service. You may want to have a CPA help you determine what is credible evidence in your specific situation.
How can I guarantee a cost saving on proposed increased tax by the auditor of the IRS?
You can guarantee a cost savings if you find a CPA who is willing to take your case on a contingency basis. A contingency basis means that if the CPA is able to have your tax reduced, he will simply take a percentage of that. Obviously, this will be a savings over paying 100% of the tax proposed by the Internal Revenue Service.
What are the statistics on appeals?
The statistics on appeals are that 80% of the time your taxes are in fact reduced. This compares very favorably to an offer and compromise process where only 25% of the offers in compromise are actually accepted.